HARDINGE Talent 10/78L. Machine has a FANUC 0 ITC control. We've got a 10-inch chuck on the machine, 12-position turret. It's got a tailstock, chip conveyor, SMW auto black steady rest. The machine has about 2,600 cut hours. Let's run it. All right, we're doing the live milling first. We have 7 live tools with the machine. We have 2 currently mounted. It's up to 1,000 on the live tool. 1,500. 2,500 on the live tool. All right. C-axis, okay. We hear the ball screws now. Yep.
That's 100 in the low range.
300 in low range. 450. Gear change to high. That's 500 RPM and high. About 1,000. It's 1,500. That's 2,000 and high. $2,500. Maximum RPM on this machine is 3,500. All right, tailstock. This machine has a 25 horsepower motor. You got 39-inch of machining length. All right, that's about it.